How to solve a Rubik's Cube when you can't. Step 1. Start with a solved Rubik's Cube. You can buy a new one or find one that someone else has solved. Step 2. Video 1 to 2 minutes of the stopwatch timer running on another phone. Step 3. Use a video editor to reverse this clip, effectively making time run backwards. Step 4. Have an accomplice record you performing the solution in reverse. First act excited that the cube is solved, while the fake stopwatch on your phone counts down. Then mess up the cube until the timer reaches 0. The only sound should be the clicking of the cube. Also, this step is irreversible, so you only get one take. Step 5. Reverse the video. Make sure there's nothing in the recording which defies the laws of physics or otherwise gives away the fact that it has been reversed. Step 6. Complete the audio by mixing in background noise and dialogue, making sure to only talk when your face is off camera.
Yes, yes!
Daddy!
1 minute! Luke, yes!
Using this simple method, you too can solve a Rubik's Cube.